Hola! In this video, we are spending a day in Salamanca, just 2 hours away from Madrid. Salamanca is a historic city, famous for its university, the oldest one in Spain, its delicious food, and its unique atmosphere. In this video, we will try to show you some of the typical foods to eat there and what interesting places to see there in a day. So, come with us and let's visit Salamanca together.
What is this place?
A new cathedral.
This is a new one.
Quite interestingly, Salamanca has not one but two cathedrals. The university attracted so many people to the city that in the 16th century they felt the need to build a second cathedral to accommodate the growing population of Salamanca. The new cathedral, which is adjacent to the old one and noticeably bigger, was finally completed in the 18th century. However, if you look at its carvings closely, you'll spot some very picturesque modern figures hiding in the intricate display of its facade. Therefore, a fun thing to do as a visitor is trying to find its most iconic sculptures, such as the astronaut or the devil with an ice cream, added in the 90s during the renovations, which add a playful and modern touch to the traditional and religious themes present in the facade. This is a city known for its university, and as you're walking around the old town, you'll see traces of history and tradition all around. If you look at its walls, you'll notice the old paintings in red letters featuring a V-shaped symbol, which, if read together, says Victor, meaning victorious. This was something students who proudly completed their PhD painted using bull's blood to leave their mark on the walls for good. Another famous symbol to look for in Salamanca is actually on the university facade, and it is the famous little frog that you see everywhere, especially in souvenir shops. The little frog symbolizes good luck for students. The superstition says that if you're able to find this tiny little fella, you're guaranteed to pass all your exams. However, spotting it is easier said than done. We'll give you a sneak peek, but you need to find it yourself when you visit it in person.
For lunch, I wanted to try this chic upscale restaurant called Consentido, which combines the traditional with the modern, using local produce from the Salamanca region. It is recommended to have a reservation before going, otherwise you may have to sit at the bar like we did. You may try the tasting menu or choose individual dishes from the menu, and with the guidance of our waiter, that's what we did. Yeah. Okay, so let's try to have it in one bite. It burst in my mouth. It's very soft. Thankfully it wasn't very hot, so I didn't burn myself, but really nice, very liquidy inside. It's like a sandwich. Small sandwich.
like a mini sandwich.
Okay. Try it. This doesn't look like cricket. Looks different.
They said that this has like a stock.
That's why it's very
Really
soft.
tastes like
Oof, the plate is very hot, it's burning. Okay, this one looks pretty bare. This one. Let's see. Very nice, very soft. And it has this really nice, like, savory sauce on it. Very tasty. This is cooked asparagus and this is the raw. Let's have some together. Yeah. Very good. In the end, we were really happy with all the dishes that we had chosen, both visually and taste-wise. But, as in all gourmet restaurants, keep in mind that the portions will be very small and it will take a considerable time for the dishes to arrive. So, if you don't have much time to spend in Salamanca, or if you are really hungry, you may want to leave this restaurant for another time.
pork cracklings. Oh, they have some sweets.
Sweets?
Sweets, yeah, they're sweets. And they're jamon flavor.
Very Spanish.
In Spain, we have a saying which roughly translates to the only part of the pig we don't eat is its oink, which means we literally eat it nose to tail, having tapas for every single bit of it. Salamanca is famous for its pork and tapas bars. We visited an iconic one in the center called La Viga. This place is most famous for its jeta or pig's face, crunchy and absolutely delicious despite how unappealing the name sounds. Great value, local vibes, and a porky and proper Salamanca tapas experience.
Callos, caracoles, morro, which is the snout, sesos, which is the brains,
Wow.
longaniza, it's a sausage, lomo, loin, probadura, charra, I don't know what that is, riñones, lengua, tongue, kidneys, tongue,
Wow.
stew.
All parts
stew
of the
beef,
animal.
beef stew.
Nothing goes to
Patatas
waste.
meneas, this is what I put in the torreznos, like these potatoes, chafaina salmantina, and then here you have like embutidos, calamares, you have calamares, you have langostinos, which is the prawns,
Yeah.
you have bacalao, pimientos. Hola, estamos echando un vistacito, ahora te pido.
So what is this exactly?
This,
The cheek.
the cheek of the pork. Crispy.
Very nice.
Delicious. This is loin, lomo.
Okay, the other one.
This is promadura charra, which is like the tasting platter in Salamanca. When they were slaughtering the pig, they cooked this to see if it was any good before putting it in the sausage. So it's like the sausage open.
Okay, I'll try a little bit. Yeah, it's like Russian salad. Very fine. Everything is very small. With tuna. And some eggs, I think, on top.
Guess what the thing is around it?
The prawn, or what was it?
It's like pork crackers, corteza.
Pork. Ah, okay.
Patisserie, and it's got some traditional things from Spain, like for example that palmera de chocolate, which is like the palm tree of chocolate, which is a pastry, sweet pastry, it's
Yeah.
very tasty. And then next to it you have some raquetas, which I guess it's something typical here.
Is it?
I haven't heard of anything like that, but it seems to have cream on top, and it
Okay.
looks tasty. Those look like perrunillas, which is like a typical pastry in this region with almonds in it. And also, if you go down, you have some roscas.
There are
some
roscas here as
donuts.
well.
Yeah, yeah. Then those are dipped in sugar, and then you have the plain ones there. So, and then you have hornazo, and that's a pie that is filled with meat inside. And then another type of pie, which is popular, I guess, everywhere, is the one with bacon, dates, and cheese. But hornazo is typical in Salamanca. It's filled with meat.
It's very nice.